Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and go to the store and we're gonna go look for some pumpkins and we're gonna go get some flowers. I'm thinking of getting mums just to plant them in the front of my house just so it's nicer and it looks more like fallish. I did have some spring flowers that I planted, but some of those are dying, so I did kind of want to get some mums and just add a little bit more color. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the store and look for some pumpkins and some flowers. So as you guys saw, the weather is very gloomy and it's rainy and it's chilly. It literally feels like fall weather. I hate when it rains because I can't walk my dog. But anyways, one thing you guys didn't know about me is that I wear glasses. I don't wear them as much as I should. I basically only wear them if I'm driving, but I hate wearing them. I feel like a little abuelita. But yeah, like I hate wearing them, and I don't even like these glasses. I don't even know why I got them. But anyways, so I figured that before I get flowers and everything, that I would stop by at Dollar Tree and just kind of see what they have, because they always have a lot of decorations. So we're gonna go ahead and head in. We're gonna go ahead and head in. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head in and see what they have. So I went to go get my pumpkins, and obviously I had to check out the women's section, and I found these super cute booties for $5. I obviously had to get a pair, but they were only $5. And I went to Ross, Home Goods, and even Joann's to see if I could find any Halloween signs, but I couldn't find any. So I just got back home. I went to 5 different stores. I didn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for like a sign that I could put outside my door that said like Happy Halloween, Happy Fall. So I'm gonna see if I can make a sign myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make dinner, and hopefully tomorrow I can decorate my front door, just because it's still raining and it's kind of getting late. It's already after 6, so I will do that tomorrow and I will show you guys. But I was able to get my flowers and pumpkins. Okay, so for my pasta, I'm using this one. I got it from Walmart. I'm just using this one just because it has more protein than normal pasta. And then I have my chicken cooking over here. I just added some onions, tomato, and parsley, and now my chicken is cooking. Now that our chicken is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my pasta in here, and I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so now that our pasta is all mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and add this classic creamy Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of milk. I also went ahead and added a little bit of cream cheese as well as sour cream, and then I went ahead and mixed it and added Parmesan cheese and grated some mozzarella cheese and just added a little bit more of tomatoes and added a little bit more parsley just to give it some flavor and make it more appealing. You want to go ahead and mix it. You want to go ahead and stir it a little bit and just let it sit. And here is my bowl of pasta that I'm going to eat. Okay, so I was going to go to Menards, but my husband wasn't feeling good and I didn't want to go by myself. So I went through my basement and I got this cutting board that I found that I no longer use. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it white, and I am using this paint that I got from Walmart. Okay, so I have it all painted. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry overnight, and I'm going to do another coat tomorrow just so we can get rid of those lines. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed some black paint and just wrote Happy Halloween on my board. But I highly recommend you guys getting a pencil and drawing out the letters first, because I thought I was fine. I thought I was going to be okay with just painting them, and I ended up messing up. I ended up running out of room with Halloween, so I had to repaint my board white and then wait for it to dry and paint it again. anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty simple. All my decorations were from Dollar Tree except the pumpkins, obviously. And if you haven't checked out my giveaway, make sure you do check that out. Today is the last week to enter. I will be announcing the winner next week. But I will see you guys next week.